Doolittle Raid, a nation's vengeance. Months after Pearl Harbor, a nation yearned for retribution. 16 bombers, a daring plan, and a crew ready to sacrifice everything. This is the story of the Doolittle Raid. Launched from the USS Hornet, these B-25 Mitchell bombers faced impossible odds. No fighter escort, minimal training, and a one-way ticket to China. Their target, the heart of Japan. Tokyo, Yokohama, and other key cities felt the sting of American bombs. The damage was strategic, but the message was clear. America would not be intimidated. Japan was vulnerable. Though costly, the Doolittle Raid boosted American morale and sowed doubt in the Japanese high command. It proved that even in the darkest hours, courage and ingenuity could prevail. The raiders became instant heroes. The Doolittle Raid stands as a testament to American resilience and bravery. Dive deeper into this pivotal moment in history. Like this video, subscribe to Purple Pot Creations for more untold stories, and share this with fellow history enthusiasts. Let's never forget,